Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the BMW XM 2024. This is a brand new SUV from BMW, and it's packed with some pretty impressive features, so let's get started. Exterior. First thing you'll notice about the XM is its exterior design. It's a very bold and aggressive design, and it's sure to turn heads. The front end is dominated by a large kidney grille, and the headlights are very narrow and sleek. The sides of the XM are also very sculpted, and the rear end is very angular. Interior. The interior of the XM is just as impressive as the exterior. The materials are all very high quality, and the fit and finish is excellent. The seats are very comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of room for passengers in both the front and rear. Technology. BMW XM is also packed with technology. The infotainment system is very user-friendly, and it's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a head-up display, and a variety of driver assistance features. Performance. XM is powered by a plug-in hybrid powertrain. That means it has a gasoline engine and an electric motor. The combined output of the two motors is 650 horsepower, and 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 3.5 seconds. The XM also has an all-electric range of up to 30 miles. Overall, the BMW XM 2024 is an impressive SUV. It's stylish, luxurious, and powerful. If you're looking for a high-performance SUV that will turn heads, the XM is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.